Two-foot pose or Ubhaya Padangusthasana. The name of this asana is derived from Sanskrit Ubhaya meaning both, Pada referring to feet, Agusta meaning toes or fingers, and Asana meaning pose. Ubhaya Padangusthasana is an asana that requires an excellent sense of balance and works on strengthening and stretching the core body. Begin in Dandasana. Inhale, raise your arms up towards the sky. Exhale, lean the body forward and grab the big toes with the two fingers and a thumb in the yogi toe lock position. Firm up the belly. Inhale and maintain the lift in the chest. Exhale, bend the knees and draw the legs close towards the hips. With the knees still bent, rock back onto your bum so that your feet lift off the floor. Now rock slightly forward and back until you feel the back edges of your sit bones against the floor. Balance here and root your sit bones into the floor, simultaneously lengthening your spine. Allow your shoulder blades to slide down your back so that your neck feels long. Lift your heart toward the sky. Balance here with your knees bent for a few breaths until you feel rooted, stable, and spacious. When you feel steady, straighten your knees, continuing to ground your base, and allow your torso and legs to grow up out of your base, like a tree reaching toward the sky from its roots. If you can't keep your knees straight without tipping back or rounding your back, bend your knees and hold onto the backs of the thighs with your shins parallel to the floor. Continue to practice active yield. Another variation that may suit you is to hold the outsides of your feet instead of your big toes. Some people's toes and fingers can become fatigued in this pose. Even though this pose is named after your toes, it's okay to hold the outsides of your feet instead. Connecting your hands and feet in this way creates a closed circuit in the body similar to that of holding the toes. If the upper back rounds, it destabilizes the back, ends up rolling over. This can simply enter the pose from another direction by continuing all the way back to Halasana, plow pose, and with the momentum of an inhale, engaging the core muscles, exhale, rock up to the sitting bones, and quickly tone the abdomen, belly breaks, and extend the legs sideways. A steady drishti gaze up past the toes helps to maintain balance. Hold in the final position and breathe comfortable. To release, exhale and return to the starting position. If the hamstring is tight and not able to catch the toes while keeping the knees straight, bend the knees to the chest, catch the big toes, inhale, lift the foot off with the knees bent, and progressively straighten the knees into the final pose. To release, exhale, and return back to the starting position.